Shockingly effective fruits for nerve damage revealed. Nerve damage, or neuropathy, occurs when nerves are injured and unable to transmit signals effectively. This can result from various causes, including physical injury like trauma or pressure, exposure to toxins such as heavy metals or certain medications, and medical conditions like diabetes or autoimmune diseases. Symptoms can vary based on the affected nerves and may include pain, burning, tingling, numbness, and weakness. In some cases, nerve function may improve with treatment or on its own, while more severe damage might require surgical intervention. A healthy diet, rich in specific nutrients, can support nerve repair and mitigate some of the symptoms associated with nerve damage. In today's video, we embark on a journey into the realm of fruits and their remarkable benefits for addressing nerve damage. Fruits not only tantalize our taste buds, but also offer surprising therapeutic properties that can support nerve repair and protection. Join us as we uncover the potent healing properties of various fruits and how they can play a vital role in promoting nerve health and resilience. Let's get started. 1. Blueberries. Blueberries offer a potent combination of antioxidants, anti-inflammatory compounds, vitamins, and minerals that make them particularly beneficial for nerve health and potentially aiding in nerve damage repair. Rich in flavonoids, anthocyanins, vitamin C, and manganese, blueberries help protect nerve cells from oxidative stress and inflammation, both of which can contribute to nerve damage. Additionally, their neuroprotective effects support nerve cell survival and function while potentially enhancing cognitive function and mitigating age-related cognitive decline. Incorporating blueberries into a balanced diet can provide essential nutrients that promote nerve health, making them a valuable addition for individuals looking to support nerve function and possibly aid in nerve regeneration. 2. Oranges. Oranges are a valuable addition to supporting nerve health due to their high vitamin C content. Vitamin C is known for its immune-boosting properties and its ability to reduce inflammation, which is crucial for overall nerve health. Moreover, vitamin C plays a vital role in collagen production, a protein essential for maintaining the structural integrity of nerve cells and facilitating their repair processes. By including oranges in your diet, you can ensure an adequate intake of vitamin C, which not only supports the immune system but also promotes nerve cell maintenance and repair, thus potentially aiding in nerve damage recovery. 3. Avocados. Avocados are a remarkable fruit for promoting nerve health due to their abundance of beneficial nutrients. Packed with healthy fats, avocados offer essential nutrients such as vitamin E, which serves as a potent antioxidant, shielding nerve cells from potential damage caused by oxidative stress. Moreover, avocados are a rich source of potassium, a mineral crucial for regulating nerve function and sustaining overall nerve health. By incorporating avocados into your diet, you can harness these essential nutrients to support nerve cell protection and maintain optimal nerve function, potentially aiding in the prevention and management of nerve damage. 4. Bananas. Bananas are a convenient and nutritious choice for promoting nerve health, thanks to their abundance of essential nutrients. Rich in vitamin B6, bananas play a crucial role in synthesizing neurotransmitters that facilitate communication between nerve cells, thereby supporting optimal nerve function. Additionally, bananas are a great source of potassium, a mineral necessary for regulating nerve impulses and maintaining proper nerve function. By incorporating bananas into your diet, you can provide your body with the vital nutrients it needs to support nerve cell communication and ensure optimal nerve health, making them a beneficial option for promoting overall nerve function and potentially aiding in the management of nerve-related issues. 5. Strawberries. Strawberries are vibrant fruits packed with antioxidants, notably flavonoids, renowned for their neuroprotective properties. By incorporating strawberries into your diet, you can harness these antioxidants to potentially reduce inflammation and oxidative stress, thus supporting nerve health. The flavonoids found in strawberries offer protective benefits for nerve cells, helping to safeguard against damage and promote overall nerve function. Adding strawberries to your meals or snacks can provide a flavorful and nutritious way to support your nerve health, making them a valuable addition to your diet for promoting optimal nerve function and potentially aiding in the maintenance of nerve health. Incorporating these shockingly effective fruits into your diet can be a delicious way to support nerve health and potentially aid in nerve repair. Remember to enjoy a diverse range of fruits to reap the maximum benefits for your nervous system. Thank you for watching, and here's to healthy nerves and a vibrant life.